Welcome back everyone. So today I got a pedal from VFE called the Distortion 3, and I have to say this little pedal packs a lot of technology into a small box. I was actually a little bit intimidated after looking at all the features on this thing, but I gotta say I'm quite impressed with the tonal ranges that it offers. So for anyone looking for a great distortion pedal that really will allow you to go and get exactly that tailored sound you're after, regardless of what amp and guitar combination you currently have, this pedal will allow you to do that. Let me go through some of the features that are kind of hidden in this pedal here. So the pedal has standard functions. It has a drive knob, it has a level knob, but then it's got other things that are not typical, which is you got a fat knob, you have a filter knob, and you have a mode knob, as well as an OD knob. So there's a lot of knobs on this pedal, even though it doesn't look like it. Let me go after the OD knob and describe what this does. So you'll notice on the OD knob you have an A and an M. So basically you have the choice of either asymmetrical clipping or MOSFET. So that gives you a lot of tonal variation to begin with in terms of what type of overdrive sound you're going to be able to dial in. Then if that's not enough, there's more. So you also have the mode knob, and the mode knob, if you look at it, has a G and an S. So G stands for germanium and S stands for silicon diode. So I feel like I'm teaching a math or science class or something like that. Anyway, there's a lot of options in this thing. So between the OD and the mode knob, you have quite a bit of choice as to the exact tone that you want, what kind of clipping you want, what kind of compression you want to get out of this pedal. And then if that wasn't enough, you have the filter knob. The filter knob gives you even more range. And if you want to fatten it up, that's what the fat knob does, right? So you have really a palette of tones at your fingertips with this pedal. And then, if that wasn't enough, there's still more. The actual knob, not the knob, but the switch, when you press it down, you'll notice it has a different feel to it. And there's a reason for that. It's a dual acting switch. So you have the regular on-off. When you press it on, once it's on, when you press it again, it's off. But if you press it and hold it down, the light will start to blink, and it turns the switch into a momentary switch, which basically means that instead of having to press it down to turn it on, press it down again to turn it off, it's on when it's pressed down, and as soon as you let go, it's off. So you can actually, produce some stutter effects if you want to do that while you're playing some really, heavy chords or whatnot. So it gives you just a little bit more flexibility and bang for your buck. So all in all, I'm pretty impressed by this pedal, the quality and the technology built into it. And if you really want to get more of the technical jargon and really a technical explanation to what it does, go onto the VFE website. They have some very technical information there regarding what all the types of options on the pedal do. And they also have a great YouTube video which explains in more scientific lingo what all this means for you. So if you're a little bit more of a techno geek, it could be very interesting for you. The pedals are handmade. They're made in Seattle in the United States. So let's stop talking and let's plug it in and hear what it has to offer.